Girl, give me that fit check. Look at that, we got your new shoes, got your new top.
I'm ready for school.
Ready for something. Tell you what, ready to hop in Panda 2.
I love this car.
Big day today. All right, you in?
I'm in.
Alrighty, let's go. I'll make a mess.
Box party.
Many boxes. I've been trying to get all this Mobile One stacked up because we need to make some space around here. So got the shelf back in. We shipped out that dash, so I just wanted to reutilize this space instead of putting that dash there. We got our Mobile One display going, so we'll still have all these parts up here, which is cool. Just got my little Mobile One fort.
We have a charcuterie board. Mobile One.
We got 020, 030, 050, ATF.
We have 5W and 10W over here too. So
530, 1030, jeez.
Yeah. You only have the bottom of 530, bottom row.
Yeah.
Playing Django over here.
That's it, dude. Let's see it. Let's see your skills. I want to know. I want to know if you're going to be wearing all this grease on your head or not.
I'm not even gonna do that.
No.
All right.
Not allowed.
If you insist.
I do insist very much. Get it here. I'll give you a little help.
Fingertip string.
Yeah.
I don't think it's moving.
I don't think this is worth the company time, but I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying this.
Hey man, you write the checks.
Do that. All right. We're in. We're back in.
Liz, just in time.
Oh wow! Actually, I wasn't even doing that on purpose. I was just saying, like, dude, one box is one row. It's like really helping out my OCD here.
Oh yeah, I like that.
You want to help us build a box fort?
Yeah, I know. This is my fort. Yeah.
Boxes too. We can make anything.
Really, we should.
Yeah.
We
We got a lot.
We
Or
make the
you know
Taj
what?
Mahal box over here.
Or
dude.
you could bring out the crazy carts and make a crazy cart track with it.
All right. I mean, she's got a good point. You want gloves or you good? I'll just open them up for you. Let's go this way.
Okay, I see what you're doing.
Yeah, left to right, because then we'll build in that way. Because if we have anything to double up, I want to double up the zeros or the ATF. So
Okay, I'm
Well-
learning oil right now.
yeah,
Got
because
it.
this is the lightest. What's the word?
Viscosity.
Yeah, noise line. Didn't even have to bring it up. So yeah, so we'll go lightest to thickest, and we have the most of the 050 and the ATF. So for my OCD self, I will want to be doing that. So all good.
Awesome.
So I don't lose my mind. Getting the Ultima prepped up for an outing. It's been a minute. Last time we had this thing out was SEMA. First thing we're gonna do, Jackson's down there, he's getting the oil changed. Whew. Maybe clean this girl up a little bit. And I think by cleaning up, we're going to change the look.
By cleaning it, we're gonna take it all.
We're gonna peel the dust off, if you know what I'm saying.
Change the filter and pour it back in, and we're good.
Yeah, all right. Had this wrap ever since the day it was born. I only had that dent for about a year or so. That was my boy Alex Jaeger. Yeah. We're even now, because that was turn one, me chasing him, and he couldn't get the car into gear. And then I did it at the last grid life. On the last turn, before the front straight, it popped out of gear, and I got a little bump. So we'll call it even. That's fair. But oh hey, I was just about to come in and show the day one, the release of this car, right over here. So that's the photo. That's the Larry Chen photo from the day that we debuted the car. And it will live on in infamy as the first car to ever land on a Valvoline oil bottle. Pretty sick. Hang on, it's about, yeah, something like that. I have been working with Valvoline for 10 years, something like that. 2014, I think, was my first official year. We did Drift Garage with them. It was back in, I want to say, 2012. However, this year we switched. We are now with Mobile One Racing. As you saw in the grams, you know, we have our whole stockpile of Mobile One. Mobile One is the official oil pour for Nissan. So that really helped bring our relationship with Nissan together. As we continue to grow with Nissan, we now have more partners that are aligned. And so Mobile One is one of the brands that has stepped up being a full supporter of our program, which is awesome. So on that note, this is the end of an era. I was just saying that the day that this car was born, you were actually out of commission.
Oh, that, yeah.
Yeah.
I remember when it first showed up, it was just a bunch of tubes on a pallet rack. And then it turned into this thing.
Yeah.
And obviously an Ultima was involved as well, but it just,
Yeah.
the way it came about was crazy. But yes, the day it was debuted, I was in bed because I had had a surgery.
Yeah.
So I had my thyroid removed.
Yeah, it was that was a stressful one. So it was like still kind of like post-COVID, getting surgeries and things like that. Schedule was very difficult, and like the timing that they gave us, it was like days before we had to debut this car.
I know, because of COVID, the surgery kept getting pushed out. The fact is that what a nice thing to have debuted.
Yeah. Well, I'm just saying that there's a lot of things that are happening outside of just the shop. Is what I'm saying. We're like building and trying to debut like the world's first like CAD designed tube chassis drift car, and then on the same hand, like I'm running back and forth to the hospital and back home to help you, and it was a monumental effort, to get all of it done. And
so it's really important to get your thyroid checked, because you could, not to scare you, but you could have thyroid cancer and you don't know. So if you ever feel lethargic or not yourself, definitely get yourself checked, because you never know. I thought I was fine, and I actually had cancer.
Health is very, very important. A lot of people neglect it. Nobody wants to go to the doctor, but yeah, it was accidental discovery.
Yeah,
right?
it was accidental, and then I had a lump on top of my thyroid. So when I swallowed, you could see a nodule moving up and down.
Yeah, they got taken care of, and
now I'm fine.
And now we're good. We're back in.
Now we get a new rep for the Ultima.
So yeah,
not
to make it depressing or anything. It's just real life. Real life things that are happening. That we're trying to deal with while we're building awesome, fun race cars.
And that we don't talk about.
Yeah, it's just easy to just sweep things under the rug and put a smile on your face and keep moving. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of just bring that because we never talked about that.
Next scar.
Yeah, so it's there.
Yeah, doctor did a
scar.
good job.
Yeah.
I can't speak.
Yeah, doctor did a great job. But yeah, other than that, the Ultima was the first CAD designed tube chassis drift car, 4-seater, and just a lot of different things about it that makes it very, very unique versus other drift cars. My Infinity that we built, that was the world's first purpose-built 4-seater drift car. Of course, there's been other drift cars that have had 4 seats, but the double halo cage, the 4 seats and all that. But yeah, the Ultima, this one was ground up tube chassis. Many people don't know that when you actually look at it. Just totally tube chassis. I know there's been some cars with like tube fronts, tube rears, and like HGK did a pretty good one where they call it their little kit car. They basically just used the center part of an E46 and tubed the front and back out of it, made all their own suspension points. This one, the difference being this was CAD designed, right? So this is all drawn on a computer by an off-road race team that builds like pre-runners and luxury trucks and race trucks. So it was that kind of approach. And then Rob over at Cage Kits punched out every single tube on here. Every suspension point was cut out and welded to the actual frame. There is no subframes. Everything is straight to the metal frame. The craziest car I've ever built. And this thing will outrun like any pro car. It's faster than our pro car is, which we run in FD. So just because of the weight placement, the distribution, the amount of power it has, having the passengers in the back, adding that extra grip. When we took this thing out to this versus that against Pastrana in his Subaru, like he had us on the run because he had 4-wheel drive, but when we did the roll race, we beat him on that one. But I was thinking about it later. If we put passengers in the back, we probably would have beat him on the go because we would have had that extra weight to dig the back end out. Super fun car. It's been sitting. We've been working on other projects, trying to get bones together, trying to get like other builds together, but really want to dust this thing off and take her out. So very stoked on that. Let's get to work.
Are we gonna do 50?
Yeah, Zeto50.
Wanna do that stuff?
Yeah, racing. It's a racing car, dude. Track use only. Definitely not a street car.
Go get one of those.
Why is it so hard to do everything with one hand? Let's see how these turbos are from sitting so long. Okay, she's a stuck boy.
Alright.
We're off to a good
sign.
start.
Everything's fine.
Off to a good start. Oh, there you go. Oh, dude, she's freaking.
Really stuck.
Yeah, she's stuck. All right, we're gonna have to unstick these turbos. We decided instead of peeling all the wrap, it's like, well, we have never taken this thing out down to the bare bones. And especially with a 4-seater, we're gonna take this baby out with no doors. So it's because why not? It's gonna be a little weird. It's gonna be wild. I just have Ultima panels everywhere. Okay, pair of doors, and we're good. Oh.
I was like, did I forget something?
It's a pretty good one.
She was just stuck on there.
Yeah. Dude, this thing looks crazy like that.
Love it.
Dang. This thing probably hasn't looked like this since you built it.
Nope.
What do you think the smoke is gonna do? Think it's gonna
Annihilate the rear passengers.
it's gonna roll like over their lap?
Not be in the back seat, so. Fine by me.
Oh man.
Yeah, we're about to find out.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. Yeah. This right here is a pretty good path, right? Yeah. On a scale of 1 to completely smoked, how the back seat's gonna be.
Yeah.
We'll see who wants to take the challenge.
Jackson's like, I want to get blasted with smoke.
I mean, I'll definitely try it. Yeah.
How about you, lady? You coming?
I wasn't planning on it.
You're like, I'm allergic to mornings.
No. No, I
Right?
have things to do at home. So, and plus we get like a nice guy's day for you.
Oh, boy time.
Yeah,
All
boy
good.
time.
Hey, just wanted to throw it out there. So,
Thanks.
all good. You're like, well, now that it doesn't have doors,
See,
I'm out.
this is what I'm kind of like curious about because you could tell that's got hot.
Yes.
It's got so hot.
That
So
does
I'm
get
gonna-
hot. You know why? Because the tire sometimes hits the back side of
Yeah,
that.
so that's why people need to be way careful. Just saying.
Arms inside the vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Permanente ser sentados, por favor.
See.
Sí.
Okay. That's your Disney coming out.
Yeah. Hands and arms.
Is that
It's
hands
like,
and feet inside the vehicle at all
Yeah.
times, please?
Do it again. Do it again.
permanente sa- I can't even do it now.
Ah, it rolled right off. That was awesome. It was,
You did it so
it was
well.
subconscious. That came deep from 04.
I never said that.
No, you heard it 1,000 times a day.
Yeah. Permanente ser sentados, por favor.
All right, Andres, is that accurate? All right. Have you ever seen anyone take off vinyl with a 4.5 inch? Because that's what I'm doing here. The rocker, because this is our like rock slider, so all the vinyl's like really kind of chipped up and it's really stuck to it. So yeah, I'm gonna just throw a little extra steel on there and we're back in business.
Never know.
Yeah, we will never know.
Well, we
No
will.
one, well, we literally know. We're telling everyone else that it's happening, so everyone's gonna know.
No one else will. Oh, yeah.
Everyone's gonna
Right.
know.
Yeah, they're gonna know.
All right, Jackson.
Countdown?
Countdown's beginning.
27 minutes.
27 minutes now. You don't set a deadline. The car never goes in the trailer. You know what I'm saying?
Yep, I'm just
That's the problem. We're just like, oh, let's fix this. Oh, let's fix that. 7 o'clock, this thing's going in. That's the time we set. So back, we got the truck, we got the trailer, car's on the ground. Jackson fired it up. Sorry y'all missed that, but that's fine. You'll get to see it rip soon enough. Just a quick double check on the fluids and all. Making sure the turbos are happy before we stick her in the trailer and drive all the way up there for no reason. So everything seems good, so it's loading time.
Have you ever done that before?
No, not outdoors.
Well, yeah, not with outdoors.
Way easier.
That was like cheating, dude. You didn't even have to worry about the arrow hitting the yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, there's no scoops. There's nothing.
Yeah, they used to
Like
always
this all the time.
like catch right there, dude.
Dude, I should show you the door. You know how the door is like broken on those scoops?
Yeah, yeah.
Some people, well, me included, maybe once or twice.
Yeah.
But yeah, it catching wheels.
I mean, I did myself on SEMA, backing it into the trailer. It's like, I heard the one crunch, and I'm like,
Never happened.
never happened, never did it. What are you talking
Cool.
about?
Alright. Well,
Yeah.
yeah.
What time is it? You got a timestamp? Are we behind?
We're definitely behind.
Dang it.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, that's what goals are for, getting close, right?
Yeah, we're good. Now, let's get this thing strapped down.
Yeah, let's do it.
Load it up.
You. This thing looks so cool. Cool. Dude, I'm pretty sure you can touch that.
I could have. 100%.
How much is that transmission?
Not as much as that motor.
It's only $10,000, but the transmission you should have put in it.
Oh no.